Do you know your credit score?
I don't. Who comes up with that, and what score is good enough to get a car loan?
I'll explain it for you, as most people don't really understand it. A company called Fair Isaac came up with FICO scores, the most commonly used credit score. FICO scores range from a low of 300 to a high of 850. According to the FICO people, here are the basic bands that people fall into and the impact on their finances. 300 to 550, poor credit. It is generally accepted that credit scores below 550 are going to result in a rejection of credit every time. If your score has fallen into this range, you need to work to improve your score. Often, a bankruptcy filing will bring a score down to this level. Over time, the score will improve if you make your payments on time every time. 550 to 620, subprime. It's possible to get credit in this range, but not guaranteed. If you do get a loan, it will be at terms that are not very good for you. You will pay much higher interest rates and penalty fees. In this range, it is worthwhile to address any specific credit problems you have and try to boost your score before applying for credit. 620 to 680, acceptable. Scores in the mid-600s mean you will most likely be given credit when you apply for it. You still won't get the best interest rates, but borrowers with scores over 620 are considered less risky and are therefore likely to be approved. In this range, borrowers can expect to qualify for a prime rate. Traditionally, prime loans could be easily sold to Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. 680 to 740, good credit. Scores around 700 are considered the threshold to good credit. Borrowers in this range will almost always be approved for a loan and be offered very good interest rates. At this credit score, lenders are comfortable with the borrower, and the decision to extend credit is much easier. According to FICO, the median credit score in the U.S. is in this range at 723. 740 to 850, excellent credit. Anything in the mid-700s and higher is considered excellent credit and will be greeted by easy credit approvals and the very best interest rates. In this high end of credit scoring, extra points don't improve your loan terms much. Even if an extra 50 points in this range doesn't help you get a better interest rate on your next loan, they can serve as a buffer if you have a negative item show up on your report. Maxing out a credit card can penalize you 30 to 50 points. Having good credit helps you get better rates on mortgages. If your score is high, you can get a better car loan, and it will cost less for insurance and credit cards.
Sounds like no matter what, improving my score is a good idea. How do I do it?
Please write these down. Number 1. Pay your bills on time. Consistent payments made on time every month are the best way to improve your score. 2. Keep your balances low. Maxing out a credit account will hurt your scores. Pay down balances to free up available credit and improve your utilization percentage. Number 3. Keep accounts open. The length of your credit history is a factor in your score, so don't close old accounts. Number 4. Don't open new accounts. New inquiries ding your score, and new accounts shorten your credit history. Number 5. Review your credit report for errors and outdated information. 1 in 4 credit reports has errors significant enough to impact your credit score. Correct and update your reports. If you would like to know how to improve your credit, call credit.org at 888-390-7696.